Hi there, I'm so excited that you're considering coming on this course with me, and we're going to learn how to be a tour guide where you live in just overnight. There are so many exciting tips that you can use to quickly put together a 1-hour tour that will become a great side hustle for you, so you'll be able to make some money on the side whilst enjoying where you live and meeting interesting people on the go. So why trust me? Well, I've done 1,000 tours face to face with the paying public in places all over the globe, and here I am stood by the busy roadside showing you just how easy it is to talk about where you live in public. So this is going to take you 6 modules. It's going to be very easy to do, lots of fun, and all you need is an interest in where you live and a voice. You just need to be able to communicate what's in your imagination or in your memory to people. So this is a lot to offer you because you can very easily put together a great side hustle that will make you some money. I'm really looking forward to walking through the course with you and excited to see you on the other side. Here's to your success.